Today is day 2 of vlogging through the whole of July, and I am off over to Steph's for a sewing day. But before I set off, I just thought I'd show you my outfit. You'll see me here hopefully, then you can see the pants as well. So we'll start with the top. The top is the About Town top from Pattern Emporium. I've done it with the cap sleeve and the epaulettes on the sleeve as well. Love the little collar, love the v-neck, really easy make, and what else can I say about it? Great for scrap busting because it doesn't use an awful lot of fabric either. The trousers or pants are from So Different Patterns, and they're their new tie-toe pants. Now, I was a little bit dubious about these because me and barrel leg trousers don't always go down well. I actually like this one. Perhaps if I did them again, they still feel a little bit voluminous on me. I made the smallest size 8 and they're still a little bit baggy on me for me. So I'm going to make another pair and I'm going to take them in a little bit more at the sides, get rid of a little bit more of the barrel shape, and then I think they'll be perfect. So let's get packed and get over to Steph's for some sewing. On my tiptoes because she's so tall. We're just going to show you what we're going to be sewing this afternoon. So what are you creating, Steph?
I'm making McCall's M8312, which is a pattern you'll all be familiar with, I'm sure.
Yeah, it's been around a while, hasn't it?
It's trended,
that one.
Oh yeah, it's I'm behind the
No, Steph's just setting another trend going.
All right,
well, we'll all be making that in July now. So what fabric are you using?
It's a little bit of gingham seersucker.
Oh, nice. I love a seersucker.
Yeah, nice and light and floaty.
I like that colour.
I do. That was what caught my eye.
So I'm doing a bit of colour blocking, stash busting. I started this months ago.
Yeah.
And I made a mistake and I did 2 of the fronts the same way. So I've ended up throwing it in the corner like you do.
It's getting to be a habit, I think, isn't it?
I'm good at throwing things in the corner lately. No, this is a while ago. But I've done the front and I've colour blocked it and I've got it the wrong way. Hang on, there we go. So I've colour blocked it with some of my leopard print, some of my burgundy and some cream sweatshirting. So this is the front done. The back, I've done the leopard print the wrong way, so the back is going to have cream on it, unfortunately. But I'm going to crack on with this, and it's another one of my naughty whips bags done today, hopefully, unless we do too much chatting. So we're going to crack on with our sewing, and then we'll come back at the end, and hopefully we'll be able to do you a reveal and a little catwalk.
Yay!
Of Steph's dress, not my sweatshirt. I'm bound to do it wrong again.
No, you're not. Don't jinx it.
We're in Steph's sewing room, so it's good luck. I always do good things in this room.
Of course you do. It's
yeah.
Good vibes. Good vibes.
So we'll see you all soon. Right, we've had an amazing sewing day.
We have had a really nice day.
And you'll have seen Steph's sewing room, sneaky peek, and
the tip that it is.
Give over. It's a sewing space, right, girls? And the amazing lunch that she made me. Thank you, Stephanie. It kept me going. So we're going to have a look at Steph's amazing dress first.
It's not finished. I've got to do the gathering and the cuffs.
It's got
Yeah.
amazing sleeves on it, hasn't it?
It's a lot of gathers, and I didn't know I was going to finish it today in order to show you.
It's
So
not finished,
Christine
but
said-
it's done enough for
but,
showing
yeah.
purposes.
So pockets, it's quite a nice
Fits
fit. I
really
quite
nice
like
on
it.
the back. I like where it fits on your back.
Yeah,
It's really
is it?
nice.
Good. So once I've to finish the inside seams, gather the sleeves into a cuff.
They've got to be gathered in.
Oh,
They
yeah.
look different
It's
again when
another-
that's done.
It's another huge amount of gather to do.
It'll make it so different when
Yeah.
you've done that.
It's a good job. I do like doing gathers.
I know.
And
you've
it's
done-
not being pressed, so it is poking a bit where it's...
She's very picky.
Well, we
picky.
strive for perfection, don't we, girls?
Yeah, but there's a line. And I'm here and Steph's here.
Okay.
Now me on the other hand, I've had another catastrophe, girls. It's been... I finished my sweatshirt. What do you think? It's really, really nice. Fits really nice round the neck. But I'll just turn around and then you'll realise what I've done wrong. This should be the front.
I think she can wear it like that. She's again, no, I can't. I can't have the...
You know this perfection line that I was talking about? You can get away with that. Oh no, that doesn't hang quite right. You know.
No.
I know it should be the other way round.
I think it looks nice, don't you?
Let me know, should I wear it or should I bin it or send it to charity? Because I know the back is meant to be the front, and that is probably why
It got
it
dumped
got
in a bag.
put in a project bag and shoved in a cupboard. Because to start off with, they should have both been leopard print, the full side, and I cut them both out the same way, so I couldn't. But then what I've also done is cut 2 leopard print backs and not a back and a front,
Yeah.
because I've cut the pattern up and colour blocked. So I've obviously made a little error somewhere along
And
the line.
you'd finished the back piece, and then realised the front you couldn't do, and put it in the bag. She got it out of the
But it
bag and
wasn't.
thought, well, yeah,
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 that's exactly it.
exactly what
Yeah,
she'd
you're
done.
right, you're right.
So she got it out
And
of
I
the bag
just
thinking, no, the
assumed.
front looks fine. And funnily enough, you put it on
And it
with the
looked
pattern
fine.
at the front.
And it looked fine.
Well, no, it didn't
No,
sit
before
right
I
round
put
the
the
neck.
neckband on,
Yeah,
I tried it on before I put all the cuffings on, and it looked absolutely fine.
yeah. But obviously,
Put the neckband on, and oops, it's a slight mistake.
Yeah, so that's why
I know,
you'd
I know. So let me know, should I wear it and pretend I should have leopard print on the back, not the front, or should I just call it a day?
I think
Again,
that's fine.
I'm going to end up with a huge pile of errors, aren't I? I'm going to do a video, maybe, Christine's oops moments, and I'll have a pile of clothes at the end of the year.
Well, we all make mistakes and we learn by them, that's the thing. Next time you're doing a pattern block top, you'll think twice about how you cut it out.
I love how it looks, and I've used the Linden sweatshirt from Grain Line Studios, which is just a plain sweatshirt, and I've traced the pattern out, drawn the lines on where I wanted to do the colour blocking, and then cut it out and added the seam allowance in and cut the pattern pieces. So
it's
I've
remembering to add the seam
I've done
allowance,
that.
isn't it?
So I've done all the hard work and then messed up at the end. Never mind, I've got some sewing done, I've got a wearable garment, even if I do have to walk backwards in it. So, I'll pack up and go home now then, Steph.
Yeah.
Thanks for having me.
You're welcome.
I love this dress and I really want you to make another one.
It'll be a nice floaty walk on the beach kind of dress, you know.
Yeah, it'll look great in Prague.
No beaches in Prague.
I know there's no beaches in Prague, but wafting round.
Yeah, possibly. I was thinking Italy, actually.
Oh, were you thinking Italy?
Well, I'm going there this year, aren't I?
Oh, you are?
Yeah.
You're going to Italy in September. Are you going to the beach?
Well, we're going to a lake,
Okay.
which is the next best thing. In
Right.
fact, I prefer it.
Yeah, no salt in the water. Right, we're going to go. And I will see you all tomorrow for more sewing shenanigans. Bye,
Look forward
guys.
to it. Bye.